Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Biking Everyday, and today I've got a quick tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to remove the background of your photo for free using an awesome little website. Now this website is called remove.bg. You can go ahead and do a quick Google search for it, type it into your browser, or I'll have it linked below in the description. We'll go ahead and load up the website. Now this website is automatic to remove the background. It's super simple to do. It's also free for the basic version, which is great. Now I do have a image here on my desktop. It's just of myself and it's got some mountains and water in the background. That's what we're going to be removing today. So we want to find the image on our computer and we're going to drag it over and drop it in this area. So hold down the left mouse button, drag it over, drop it in there. And this is all automatic. Watch what happens. It's going to remove myself from the background. How cool is that? Now, if you want to, there's some fun effects in here. You can add a new background. Maybe you want to put yourself on the beach. You can easily do that. I'm going to turn that off. I'll let you play with that on your own. You can also make adjustments by erasing and restoring here as well. So maybe you want to remove the code or something like that. You can play with that as well. Super simple to do. Once you've got it all ready, you can go ahead and hit download. It's going to download it and we can have a quick look at it here. There it is. There's myself without a background, and you can use that for your social media posts, etc. Really simple to do. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.